Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to crack a combination lock like this with 4 digits. But first of all I have to tell you that this video was only made for educational purposes, and if anyone uses this knowledge for bad purposes, I take no responsibility at all. So let's get started. So I have my old combination lock. The combination right now is 6969, so I will just show you. You see it opens, and I will just reset the combination, something I don't know, so I don't even look at it. So right now I have no idea about the combination. The thing you have to do is apply some force to the shackle over here in this direction. I will use my thumb and start rotating the discs. You have to find the disc which is the harder to rotate. In my case this is the bottom one, and spin it around until you hear a click and feel some vibration over here. Just turn it. So I now felt the shackle vibrate and a loud click. So the last digit is 1. Now I have to find the other disc which is hard to rotate. Not this one, not this one. So it's the first one. Oh, I have felt the click. So the first digit is 8. This is the harder to rotate, so I will turn it round and round and round. Nope. So the second digit was 0 and this was 9. And the lock it opens and you can reset the code for whatever you want. So thanks for watching my video. Feel free to subscribe somewhere over here and like my video if you like the content. See you in the next one. Bye!